Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create a lead magnet on Facebook with high conversions. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all just open up your internet browser and go to facebook.com. Just log in into your account and go to facebook.com, and then just go to groups of your choice. So for example, I'm gonna go to Make Money Online. So for example, I'm just going to open this group for the sake of this tutorial. So once you are in this, once you just join relevant groups in your niche first, and then just open one of these groups. Then what you're gonna have to do, guys, is offer them something for free. So first of all, you're gonna have to create a landing page. So you can do this by using a free platform like Weebly or Wix, or you can just use WordPress or something like that. So once you have created your landing page, then you have to offer them something for free. So what you can do is offer them something like an ebook. So just go to free PLR downloads. Actually just go to Google first, and then just search for free PLR downloads here. And then just open the first website. I have personally used this website before. So now just search uh, actually yeah, now just search Make Money Online here, and then you can use any of these books without any issues. So for example, if you just download this book, uh, so you can make your landing page and make them give you their email, and then you can just set up a bot or something like that, which will give them your free ebook that you just downloaded from here. Or alternatively, you can just upload this ebook somewhere and paste it here using Linktree or something like that. What you're gonna have to do, guys, is just edit the PDF that you will download from this website. So just edit this PDF and put in your links, and then just offer it for free in relevant groups, and this way you will get a lot of leads from the book you are providing for free, because you're gonna edit the book PDF and put in your links. In return you will get a lot of leads. So this is how you create this is how you generate a lot of leads on Facebook with a lot of conversions. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.